Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to generate captions in Premiere Pro. Firstly, with your project open, select the audio clip on the timeline you want to generate captions for. Go to the top menu and click Window, then Captions and Graphics. This opens the Captions panel where you can manage transcripts and subtitle tracks. In the Captions panel, click Transcribe. Premiere Pro will auto-generate a transcript of your selected audio. Now, once the transcript is ready, click the CC icon, which is Closed Captions button. A setting window will appear. Here you can customize number of characters per line, caption duration, single line or double line format, and when you're ready, just click Create Captions. Captions are now added to your timeline. Now select your caption track on the timeline, open the Essential Graphics panel. If it's not visible, go to Window, then Essential Graphics. From here, you can adjust font style and size, color, alignment and positioning on screen. This lets you match subtitles to your video style or branded theme. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.